Oh, Luke's, I can shake mine. Can you do that? Hi dolls, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, I'm Jaelyn Dae. Welcome to my channel. So as y'all can see the title, I am back with another tutorial. I am doing soft locks. I did do my locks, but in this video I'm not doing my locks, I'm doing my best friend's locks. So before we get into this video, I just want to say a couple of things. I know y'all be wanting to just get to the main parts, and I feel like I don't be talking that long. In my last distress locks video, I seen a lot of questions that I stated in the video, and some people were still asking. So please just make sure you listen, and if there's other questions that you have, you can put it in the comment section, but make sure it's not in the video or in the description. I actually don't get my hair from the hair store. Everything you need to achieve this look will be on my site. The parting portion to these locks will not be in this video. It will be in a completely different video, and I will have a lock guide for you guys. So I just want to put you on some games, some things that you may or may not know, and some things that can help with your technique. If you're watching this video and actually listening, you can receive $5 off of that guide. And there's also the guide plus the video. So if you're watching this video, you can get the parting video for free. You can get the parting video for free. And now, the moment that you have been waiting for, it's time to get into this tutorial. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow your girl on Instagram, and let's get straight into it. So if you guys have already subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and DM'd me lock tutorial, you already seen the parting technique. So we're just going to put the sections of her hair up. Like I said at the beginning, this hair will be on my site, and the wrapping hair. In this case, she is getting 36-inch locks, and these are in the color 1B. 1B and number 1 for these locks are about the same, so it's really not much of a difference. You have your lock and your crochet needle. What you're gonna do is put the crochet needle through your client's hair. There's two parts of the lock. There's this part, which doesn't have a knot, and then there's another side that actually has a knot. So you're gonna get the part that has a knot, and then you're just going to put the knot on the crochet needle and close your crochet needle. And then you're gonna put the lock through her hair. And then you're gonna keep the knot on the crochet needle. Then take your client's real hair, put the crochet needle on that, close, and pull her real hair through the lock. There's other ways to do this. You don't have to do it exactly this way. This is just how I do it. So this is the wrapping hair that I will be using, the 8-inch spring twist in 1B. And again, both the locks and the spring twist will be on my site, available to purchase. And what I'm gonna do is take apart the spring twist so it can have more volume to it. So again, we're gonna take our crochet needle and just put it through your client's hair. Take the spring twist and pull it through. So the wrapping part is completely up to you. Some people like to make the spring twist longer by pulling it down so where there's a longer piece, or some people like to make it even and wrap. I personally make it even and wrap. It's no wrong or right, so whatever you want to do, however you like your locks to look, that's what you would do. But in this case, I let both sides be even. And then I take the spring twist, the client's hair, and the lock and put it in one hand. And the other piece of spring twist will be what's going to be wrapped around these 3 pieces. So I take those 3 pieces and wrap around with the spring twist. I wrap tight at the root about 3 or 4 times, and then I start going down. So as you're going down, you don't have to wrap perfectly. You just need to make sure that it's covering a lot of the client's hair. I literally just wrap anyway, y'all. Like, I just wrap. Now, it does take practice to get faster at wrapping, but there's nothing special to it. It is your option to keep going. You can add another piece. You can go all the way down, but personally I don't go all the way down. I just try to cover the client's hair because the way the locks are made, they already look pretty much distressed, and as they get older they all look the same. So I don't worry about wrapping all the way down. I feel like you'll be wasting your time. So for this next piece, I'm going to show you how I seal the bottom where I ended the spring twist at. So again, we're just going to put the spring twist in with the crochet needle. So when I get to the bottom, I wrap until it's a little piece left, and then I start to just go back up. I don't use a lighter, I don't use nail glue, I don't use anything. I just wrap back up, back and forth, and then it seals. None of my clients have complained about their locks unraveling when I do this, but if you want to, you can use a lighter or some nail glue. I would suggest nail glue and just dap a little on there, but you don't have to. Kind of using my finger to comb the hair out as I'm wrapping because sometimes it does get back tangly. Our goal is to make these look more realistic. And the reason I use this type of wrapping hair is because I've seen a lot of people use the Cuban twist. I personally don't like the harder textures. They look more stiff and they don't look as realistic as I would like them to look. They start to give more of a goddess lock look. So the spring twist makes it more natural, makes it more flexible, and I just like it. Another thing that I wanted to mention is when your client's hair is still showing. A little bit of her hair is still showing. The thing about spring twist hair is that it's really flexible, so you can cut pieces, little pieces, big pieces, it doesn't matter. You can cut whatever you want off of this. So all I'm gonna do is cut a little piece of the spring twist off and continue wrapping with that little piece. All of her hair is covered. Again, if you want to use another piece so it can go longer on the lock, you can. It's really just up to you. But like I said, I just make sure that all of my clients' real hair is wrapped. Also, I do take that remaining piece of the spring twist and just keep wrapping. The thing I love about spring twist is that no matter how you wrap it, it will seal the same way. I am now finishing up her hair, and I'm just going to do her edges, and I'm going to cut the locks down some. She got 36-inch, but she wanted them just a little bit shorter. If you need to cut these locks, it is so easy to cut. They do not unravel. You do not have to do anything. You can just cut them, literally, y'all. It's that easy. My best friend was being silly and dramatic the whole time, but we are done. And it'll take about 2 or 3 days for them to loosen up, but once they loosen up and get old, they're going to look so bomb.
Mine all loose. I can shake mine. Can you do that? You do that? Don't hurt.
That is it for this video. Make sure that you read the description so you know what to do to receive $5 off of your guide and to receive the parting portion to this video. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video.